Hi, I'm Rudabe, a piano teacher and a music composer, with a BA in piano performance and a master's in music composition, both awarded with top honors. I teach over 40 students, both from my home studio in Sutton and at a well-known music school in Surrey. Most of my students have achieved distinction in their ABRSM and Trinity exams. And you can find some of their performances along with some of my own compositions on my YouTube channel linked here in my profile. As a composer, I've had the honor of being commissioned by international festivals such as Heidelberg of Frühling Festival in Germany and 4020 Festival in Linz, Austria. During these projects, I learned a great deal from Maestro Igor Levit and composer Johanna Doderer. Experiences that continue to inspire me in my teaching and creative work. Many years of teaching a wide range of students and also composing the music have taught me to be extremely patient and to tailor my teaching method to each student's personality and also their interest, and allowing their creativity to truly blossom. I offer both in-person and online lessons, and recently I've opened a few limited slots on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you are looking for a teacher who combines structure, joy, and creativity, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.